Ooh, yeah, look on, yeah. Yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, yeah, I came in with a saw. Yeah.
Hey, as you can see by the title, we will be fixing the headphones connected annoying glitch that you get on your phone that has a headphone jack, unlike this iPhone 7. And so the first step you're going to want to do is remove your case from your phone. I'm going to do that real quick. It may take me a second, so bear with me. And, yep, got it off. Second of all, you're going to want to take a Q-tip. And for some reason, the website that I looked at it from, it said take a toothpick and a swab, which I don't know why you can't just use a Q-tip. But maybe some people don't have Q-tips, but it doesn't matter. And you'll take the case off. And first of all, you're going to blow inside of your ports to make sure that there's no dust in there. But I'm not going to do that because I don't want you guys to hear me blowing. Then you guys are going to see if it works. If it doesn't work, then you're going to take the cotton swab, wipe out the ports and stuff. After that, before you put your case on, you're going to make sure there's no dust or anything in there. As you can see, this is a nice case with nothing in it. And you will test out your speakers. If they don't work, then you're going to try to connect some headphones and disconnect them. If it doesn't work the first time, keep doing it. But it should work right from the blowing. And that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.